Guys, David here, owner of Japan Auto LLC.
I'm Amanda Romero. I'm a real estate agent up here in the high desert. This is our 3 children. This is Jeremiah. He's 1. This is Aubrey. She's 3. And this is Cassandra, and she's 5 years old.
We are back, and as you see, the little ones are off playing. Yes!
Alright, so where are you guys from?
I am from Victorville, California. My parents moved up here in 1999, and they decided that after living in Orange County for a while, they no longer wanted to live down there. And my dad worked for a welder company for many, many years.
So, originally, I grew up in Southern California all my life. I bounced back and forth between Victorville, California and Huntington Beach, California. And I am back in Victorville with my wife and children.
So why did you start your YouTube channel?
Well, that's a good question. There's many reasons. One of them is to give motivation to those retired or current Subaru owners, new Subaru owners, if they're feeling down or lack of motivation for their projects. Well, you know, I want to give the motivation to them and basically show them what Japan Auto is all about. And basically, we're going to be doing a lot of customers' cars and just building and motivating other Subaru owners.
So what is your YouTube channel going to be about?
Well, you know, I grew up around cars all my life. My dad has been a mechanic even before I was born. And basically, how he taught me is I want to be able to teach others on how to work on their cars and how we restore things. I want to give other people the motivation to take their old beaten project and turn it into something really cool. And basically, we're going to be doing a lot of restorations, a lot of rebuilds, street builds, off-road builds, and just all around family oriented.
So who's going to be your target audience?
Those who have given up on their projects and kind of lost an idea of where to start or how to finish. Basically, I'm here to give you guys motivation, like I said earlier.
So what inspired you to make your channel?
You know, that's a really good question. So basically, years ago, I was struggling to find videos of how to finish my projects and builds, and I had lack of motivation, and I didn't have these motivational, you know, builders out there. So I'm here to give my viewers motivation and hope to finish their projects and their builds so they can get on the road and enjoy their Subarus or any Japanese vehicle.
So what's your least favorite thing about the YouTube community?
I would say on how we can get a lot of judgmental and hatred against certain people's builds. I want to be the opposite of that, actually. I want to be able to give people motivation for any type of build they have in creativity, as we all have different build motives and different build ideas. Everyone's budget is completely different and everyone's build mentality is different, so I'm here to motivate anyone and everyone's build. Well, another soldier down. My wife had to go and tend to the children. So here we are back at it.
Alright, so what are 3 things that your viewers should know about you?
Well, one of them is if they have any questions or concerns about their build, don't be afraid to ask in the comments below. I got you guys covered. Number 2 is not judgmental. So if you are going to send pictures of your car and maybe you're a little worried of the condition, don't worry about it. I'm not judgmental. Even if you want to show me your build, I don't judge. I'm not that guy. Number 3 is I want you guys to know that I'm here to motivate you guys for your builds, and I'm going to be here every step of the way along the journey, and you guys are going to be here watching pretty much all the restorations and the builds we're going to do as well.
What do you think is going to be the hardest part about becoming a YouTuber?
I would say like taking the camera in public. It's going to be a little different for me, you know. Also being in front of the camera. As you can see, I'm not very, you know, I'm a little camera shy. But other than that, that's pretty much it.
So give us 3 reasons why viewers should subscribe to your channel.
Well, for funny, amusing content, one of them, and the second one I would say is for relatable car owner moments, as We know how stressful and exciting it can be. And number 3 would be for those DIY projects that a lot of people have, including me.
What current builds do you have right now?
So I have a few different builds. One of them is my wife's 2008 Subaru Forester. We did an overland off-road build. It's currently lifted and on some nice rims and tires. We gotta do some engine work too, but she's gonna be on the road. You guys are gonna be seeing that soon. Another one is a 99 2.5 RS Coupe that I'm building. Currently, it's WRX swap. We need to put a new engine in it. We're gonna install a 6-speed, get it barred. Then we're gonna put a 620 horsepower build back into it. Another one is gonna be my '06 Hawkeye wagon, fully built engine, SCI 6-speed on a Blausch 20G. We're still building that one. You guys are gonna see it. It's gonna be one of our cool contents. And you guys are gonna be there on tuning day over at Churches. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in and watching our first video. We hope to see you along this journey. And don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright.